Hello and welcome back. Many of you ask me how I did this hairstyle New Year and how I take care of my hair. I keep my hair moisturized while on a protective hairstyle, or even how I keep my hair moisturized. So, if you want to see how I get from this to that hairstyle, just watch to the end. So, 7 days, every day I decided to film for you guys. So, apparently, the day I decided to start filming was the day I slept so bad in my eyes. Look how poofy and sleepy I look like. Boo, horrible. So, morning and evening, I use water, filtered water, not tap water. Filtered water on my hair, spray it on it, and just put it in a bottle and or your hands, whatever what works out for you. Put it in. I concentrate more on the ends of my hair and then put the rubber band. I try to put my hair when I put the rubber band, like twist it in. I think during the following videos you're gonna see how I really twist it in. So here I'm using water again at the end and at this time I think my hair is like 2.5 weeks old. At the you can see at the back how the hair is not that nice anymore, but I was actually surprised how long it lasts this time, like for 3 weeks. I tried to film every day at the same time for you guys. I even changed the location from bathroom to the window in my room because the lighting was better. So I think here you can see I'm gonna oh no, not yet. Today I'm gonna use the scalp stimulation oil from Organic Hair Co with the water together. I switch between rubbing the oil on my hand and put it in my hair to putting the oil on my fingers and then massaging it into my hair. So next time I'm gonna massage it into my hair. That was it for this day. And the other time I will use water and then switch to their leave-in conditioner. Like that's all. I use one day water, the other day water and their oil, and the third day leave-in conditioner, and then I start again from the beginning. So here I'm using the leave-in conditioner. I think it's called Hair Drew. Also, same as leave-in conditioner. Yeah, I concentrate more at the ends of my hair, and then put the rubber band back and twist my hair in because I want to avoid that my hair is rubbing on my dress or on my jewelry. So today I will use water again, and that's basically what I do every single day while my hair is on a protective hairstyle. And my hair is usually on a protective hairstyle during the cold season. That can be from October till April or May, depends, or longer. And I change my protective hairstyle. Depends how good I do it. Usually I'm so lazy that it just lasts for 1 week. But when I'm really good, I took my time, then it lasts sometime between 2 weeks and 4 weeks. So this time it was 3 weeks. Yay. So I don't know what else I can tell you guys. It's actually basically every day the same, from water to oil, from oil to leave-in conditioner. And then 2 days before I wash my hair, I use their pre-poo oil. That day I soak my hair with that oil. But thank God I don't just wash my hair that often, or else I have to buy that product so often. Yeah, so today you can see I'm massaging the scalp stimulation oil. Oh yeah, there. You see how I twist my hair into that hole? I don't know how to explain it, but you can see it. And my hair there at the back is already so old. Here, yeah, that is this product. I'm sorry I can't show you that good. Next time I will put the link, by the way, in the bio too, so you guys can check all the product out. They have different hair product for different hair type, and here we are. In 2 days I'm gonna wash my hair, um putting the oil, the pre-poo. I really use a lot. You can see how my hair is shiny, my scalp is shining, my fingers, I soak my hair in that thing. And then the next day in the evening, after like over 24 hours actually, I wash my hair in, while in braids, and then the other day I take my hair out and then I will do the hairstyle, leave the hairstyle usually for one day, and then put back my hair into braids. Here you can see I'm gonna try to make a oh my god, the dogs, why. I'm sorry. Do a lens check, but my lens check failed. Next time I will do it for you guys. Here, you guys can imagine how much hair I have. I was 6 months in Florida, and every day I was at the beach. The sun kind of bleached the end of my hair out. I actually have black hair. So here we go, plenty hair. Trying to manage to put it together. I need water, brush, hair tied, and curling mustard. Wow, the dogs are. Oh my god, I'm sorry, but I tried to record this voiceover like many times. I'm just gonna keep this one now. I hate doing this hairstyle because it takes me a lot of time and my arms like kind of hurts. But at the end, I think I do it like maybe once in a month. It depends. Yeah, how often I change my protective hairstyle. Hoo hoo! I was dying. Look at my how the veins are popping out of my forehead. I'm gonna add more curling mustard into it, around it, after I got the perfect size of my poof that I wanted. And yeah, wrap my hair, wait for 15 to 20 minutes or even longer, depends, until I get ready. And then et voila, I'm done. After that, I comb the end of my poof a little bit out so that it's more round and poofy and big. Here we are. That's it. That's it. That's it. I even put on makeup. Wow. That was it. Thank you very much for watching.